The original person that I wanted to do my hair was busy. When I came in, she didn't have a client, but she told me this lady's going to do my hair who doesn't normally do my hair. Okay, cool, I understand. So when I got to the chair now, I was trying to explain that to the lady, like, did you wash my hair? Is it clean? She didn't speak any English, so she told the person who's supposed to be like maybe the shop owner, I'm not too sure. So the lady's like, oh yeah, no, your hair's fine, like, don't worry about it. She didn't even like literally like come look at my hair. She just was saying like, oh, don't worry about it. I said, okay. So now the lady, she's doing my hair. She's washing it. I mean, not washing it, so she's washing it. She's blow drying it, but the heat is centered on a part of my scalp and it's too fucking hot. So I said, hell no, like it's hot, like stop doing that. Now here comes a flyer. So I told her like, hey, this is too hot. Can you turn it down? I don't like it. So she didn't understand. She got upset again. She went to so she's cutting it and then she's like asking me like, do I like my hair? But I didn't hear her. So when I didn't hear her, she's like, hello, like mad rude, like, whoa, hold on, let's bring it down some, because normal you, regular you, when you're cool with me, you wouldn't speak to me like that. So I said like, no. Now when it came to me finishing my hairstyle, she's going to tell the guy who's going to charge me like, hey, charge her 25, 45 for this, another 25 for that, and da 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 da. And then he's telling me, and she said, oh, it's going to be 80, right? No, not 80, 70. I said, for me, like, this doesn't make any sense, because the last time I came here and I got in wash and blow, it was literally only $55. So where is the change? Where's the gap? Because someone explained to me, where does it make sense for the price to be $70?
Let's pause right there, because this situation isn't just about the hair. It's about service quality, communication, and professionalism inside the salon. In this case, the client went in for a simple service, a wash, blow dry, and trim. She had been to the salon before, so there was already some level of trust. But this time, the stylist she normally goes to was unavailable, and she was placed with another stylist. That's where the experience started to shift. During the shampoo process, the client felt like her hair wasn't properly cleansed. It was done quickly, and when she tried to ask about it, there was a language barrier, and no one actually came to check her hair. Then during the blow dry, she experienced excessive heat directly on the scalp, which caused discomfort. When she spoke up, the stylist became visibly frustrated instead of adjusting professionally. As the service continued, the tension in the environment increased. The stylist appeared irritated when the client gave feedback. Communication was inconsistent. The client felt uncomfortable and unheard. When it came time for the haircut, the client specifically requested a certain trim and was open to even going shorter for healthy hair. However, the stylist seemed to rush and handle the hair aggressively, which made the client even more uneasy. Then at checkout, the price was different from what the client expected, and when she asked for clarification, the conversation escalated into disrespectful communication from the staff. At that point, the experience went beyond the hair. It became about how the client was treated, and that's what made the situation so frustrating. Now, let's talk about how this should have been handled as a professional hairstylist. A proper shampoo should fully cleanse the hair, be thorough but gentle, and feel relaxing, not rushed. If a client questions whether their hair is clean, the correct response is, let me check and make sure you're comfortable. Using high heat without adjusting for the client's comfort can cause scalp irritation, heat damage, and loss of trust. If a client says that's too hot, the response is simple: adjust immediately. No attitude. Even with language barriers, professionalism means listening to the client, acknowledging concerns, and making adjustments. Clients should never feel like they're bothering the stylist for speaking up. Your energy is part of the service. No matter how busy or frustrated a stylist may be, no eye rolling, no aggressive behavior, no dismissive tone. Clients remember how you make them feel just as much as how their hair looks. Before starting or during the service, clients should know what services are included, what the total cost will be. Surprises at checkout create unnecessary tension. If you're a stylist who wants to level up your professionalism, communication, and client experience, follow for more real salon education and follow stylistfactory.as.me as we produce the century's best hairstyles.